Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can connect your account on CloudConvert with your Google account. So let us dive into this. So head over to CloudConvert, and usually when you sign up here in CloudConvert, you do that with an email address and an assigned password, but you can also link your account here with your Google account. So to do that, click into your username, and in the top right, select Dashboard. And here inside the dashboard, what you want to do is click into account on the left hand side, and from there navigate to integrations. And here guys, what you want to do is click into Google or link next to Google here. And after that, choose the Google account you'd like to log in. Give the permission. Here, select all. You can select these here, for instance, and give the selected permissions. And once it's done, confirm by clicking into continue to connect or to link your Google account with CloudConvert. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.